Day 25 of our 365 Days Abundant Life series. Psalm chapter 65 verse 3 to 4. Though we are overwhelmed by our sins, you forgive them all. What joy for those you choose to bring near. Today's topic title, God says, I have chosen to bring you close. I know that you often feel overwhelmed by your sin, and I'm glad in part for that. The fact that you are aware of your sin and feel the weight of it, the offense that it is toward me, the distance that it takes you from me. This is true blessing. To be cursed is to be so far away from me and so at home in sin that you do not sense sin's weight. My blessing is not just making you aware of your sin, but granting you a great forgiveness that covers all of your sin. Though your sin looms large before you, my forgiveness looms larger. When you are discouraged by your slow progress in becoming holy, find joy in remembering that I have chosen to bring you near to me. I will not neglect you. As you linger in my holy presence, I am burning away your bent toward sin. And one day you will stand before me not only forgiven, but purified and holy. Today's topic speaks to the reality of human sinfulness and the extraordinary mercy of God. So lahat naman tayo, no, we are called by God and He wants us close to Him. However, it's a personal decision kasi it's up to us, because the very first step is if we acknowledge Him and welcome God in our life. So kung parang ma-compare ko siya in a situation, no? So for example, you know someone na there's someone you know na you want to change. Tapos grabe siya makainom, gabing inom and sigarilyo, ganyan. Then no matter how you remind them, no matter how you nag them, like, uy, itigil mo na yan dahil masama yan sa katawan, you're slowly ruining your health. But ika nga, diba, you can't change a person. It should be a personal decision nila na mag-change. Because once sila mismo, like, once na i-acknowledge nila na, mali pala tong ginagawa ko dahil I'm risking my health, ganyan. So, once they acknowledge na mali yon, then na sila mismo na-acknowledge nila, mali pala ito, hindi pala, nasisira pala ang katawan ko dito, then they would change. It is a personal decision nila ba? It's their personal decision, and now they know how to acknowledge na ano yung tama at ano yung mali na gawin nila para hindi masira yung kalusugan nila. So, it's same with this. God is calling us and He wants us to be close to Him again, but it's a personal decision for us. So, the very first step is to acknowledge Him, because to be brought near to Him is a gift because di ba nga, isa sa mga blessing na once we acknowledge Him is He gifted us this awareness of knowing what is right and wrong.